Ito man ang huling gabing makakasama po natin si Kuya Germs, ngunit habang buhay po na mananatili sa ating puso't isipan ang mga kontribusyon, walang sawang pagtulong at pagmamahal ng kanyang ibigay po para sa industriya.
Don't you love first? My fault, I fear. I thought that you won, but I was sorry.
It is sadness that draws us together. Because no one, not even diamonds, lasts forever. But I think I can say without fear of contradiction that Kuya Germs is among the very few people that we all wish could go on forever. Sabi nga niya, walang tulugan, walang iwanan. Speaking for myself, I cannot imagine a broadcast network without Kuya Germs.
If not that opportunity, wala akong sa harapan yung ngayon. Malamang masasrero pa rin ako.
He begs for work. That's why the first work he had was a janitor. He begged for that work as a janitor. The reason why he took care of his job because he was blessed so much. Every single opportunity that he got, he took care of it. He loved it. He gave his all. He was so dedicated to his profession. He was a generous man. Now, even to his last breath, wala na siyang iniisip kundi kami, pamilya, kaibigan.